name is Samreen Khan and I am from Hyderabad. I have specially come to Bombay to meet Dr. Rajesh Shah, who is specialized in lichen planus, and my problem is lichen planus. I am suffering from this problem for the past 2.5 years, and this is very severe actually. There's a lot of itching, burning sensation, and more so many things which I can't explain to you. So I have consulted Dr. Samani, B.K. Samani, and he has prescribed me steroids. First he was like, okay fine, it will be fine, but later on he was like, it's going on into a very high situation and very high condition, so we need to prescribe steroids. So I was taking corticosteroids creams and corticosteroids tablets like Omnacortil, Visolon, HH Son cream. So I used to take very high doses, very high mg, and so due to that I'm suffering from many side effects also, like my weight, it gained to 7 kgs like that. Before taking steroids I was 53 or 54, but now I am 61, and there are so many stretch marks due to this steroids and the acne problem. And again, because of the acne problem, he has prescribed me another course. First he has asked me to go through liver functioning test and lipid profile. And then if it was fine, the reports were normal, so he was like, we'll start a new course for the acne problem again. Why? I mean, on the same time with the lichen planus course, he was going on with the acne course, that is EAP. In that he has prescribed me with Isotroin 10 mg tablets for 1.5 months. After that, he has prescribed me with Tetrin Iso 10 mg tablet, which he has prescribed me, like he has suggested me to take for 90 days. Morning 2 tablets, night 1 tablet before bedtime. And that is also of 10 mg. So I seriously want to tell you all that please don't go with any allopathic treatment in this kind of thing, like with some skin problems of this kind of, like lichen planus, psoriasis, acne, because they all are like temporary based, not permanent. So yeah, and due to the acne problem, like I have told you, as I told you that Isotroin 10 mg tablets, he told me that your lips will get dry, so you drink water as much as possible. But as you can see, my lips also, they are very much chapped, dry. Yeah, and my skin also gets peeled off at times and it starts burning. So please don't take steroids. It's a poison. You don't know, but it slowly it spoils your internal organs like kidney, liver. It has so many side effects on your body, like internal parts like heart, liver. So I'm telling you, like your internal parts are more precious for you than your skin. So first focus on your internal parts, then on your skin. Don't just try to get everything at once. Like don't try to be in a hurry, like you want everything to be cured. So first let the cells get inactive, then you can focus on the scars and everything. So my personal message, personal advice, personal suggestion to everyone is that please don't go with steroids. It's like poison. I recommend you to come to Dr. Shah's clinic and take his homeopathic treatment as I have come for the first time, and I am damn sure that this will be this will work out for me. Inshallah. Thank you.